Today we will give you a high-level overview of the Newbound software. Newbound is a framework for building, running, and distributing web apps over a private and decentralized peer-to-peer protocol. Newbound is written in Java, so it'll run on any platform with a modern JDK. It is entirely self-contained and has no dependencies on any external third-party libraries. When Newbound launches, it starts up a web service, and you can interact with it using a web browser. Newbound is designed to be toaster simple to install and to use, so you can concentrate on the task at hand rather than a bunch of complicated configuration. The first thing you will want to do is change your admin password. The default user and password are both admin, which is easy to remember but not terribly safe. Next, take a look at your local network. Any other devices on your local network that are running the Newbound software can be discovered easily, unless, of course, they have discovery turned off. While you can connect to any discovered device, by default, you won't have permission to do anything. You will need to explicitly assign permissions using the security bot, or you can generate an invitation and connect the devices in that way. The final app that's part of the Newbound core software is the Metabot app. The Metabot allows you to easily write and publish your own apps and services. It is named Metabot because all of the apps, including itself, were written using the Metabot. Newbound apps are organized into libraries, and libraries contain controls and static assets. Controls are the basic building blocks that you can snap together like Legos to build more complex apps and services. Controls are made up of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript on the front end. There is also an editor for three-dimensional objects and their animations and behaviors. On the back end, you can easily write commands in Python, Java, or our own visual data flow language we call Flow. Backend commands can be set to run as timers at specific times or intervals. They can also be tied to other events in the Newbound framework. They automatically become part of an app's API, and we generate access functions in JavaScript automatically in order to make it toaster simple to invoke from the front end. Libraries, controls, and commands can be each assigned to a specific group or security groups, which makes controlling access very simple. By default, only admins have access to the individual's controls or commands. Publishing your app is as simple as clicking a button, and once published, it can be installed easily on any other Newbound devices that you are connected to, anywhere in the world. We hope you now have a better understanding of what Newbound is and what you can do with it. Please check out our other videos for more detail on each of the default apps, as well as some of our non-core apps, for examples and ideas of what Newbound can do for you.